Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Daily Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe, starting off with the Lions block, and here you can see that we're making progress within that extended rising trend channel there from the end of September. The top of the channel there heading for 35 cents, which we're looking for by the end of next month, especially in the aftermath of the gap through resistance that we had back on the, basically last week. Above the 19 cents zone, looking for 35 cents, as I said, by the end of April. And ideally, we stay on the right side of the 20 cents area in the meantime. On to a market which we looked at quite recently, and it's good to see that it's making progress. Kratos. Here we had a previous best case scenario target around the 0.8 of a cent mark. Obviously, that's been blasted away. The next target was around 1.2 cents, and now we're actually looking for 2 cents by the end of next month, which is the upper parallel of that resistance line projection from back in February. At this stage, looking for this market to remain on the right side of the 1 cent level. eForce is next, and here you can see how the market has managed to hit our initial target there. That was towards the 1 cent level, and then we're now going to upgrade that to 1.5 cents, which is the upper parallel of that rising trend channel base that's been in place since back in November. Upside valid while we remain above 0.7 of a cent, and that was basically the February-March resistance. So above that zone, looking for this market to head to 1.5 cents in pretty short order. Another goodie on the way in the form of Guild Fi, and here you can see why. We've got this V-shaped rebound here within a rising trend channel from back in November. Top of the channel there heading towards the 92 cents level. We're looking for that by the end of next month. That might be slightly optimistic, but the upside valid here certainly while we're on the right side of the 50 cents area, which is the recent consolidation breakout, and near the floor of the channel there from the end of last year. And really the idea here is that we would have a breakthrough recent resistance around 65 cents over the next few days or even sooner. Moving along to Goldfinch, and here you can see there's been a beautiful breakout over the last couple of days. The resistance area around $2.36 above yesterday's resistance, which was around $2.60. We're looking for up to $4.50 by the end of next month at the top of that rising trend channel, once again from back in November time. The next situation is one that I think I covered as recently as yesterday, so it's all good news. Here we've got Internet Computer, and here the breakout coming out, basically just breaking the top of that rising trend channel there from back in December. The top of the channel there around $17.50. Above that, we're looking for a steeper channel, a red channel there to develop and head up to $21.60 as soon as the end of next month. Upside value while we're above basically 16, which was recent resistance for this market. Moving along to another, a new situation actually in the near term, Krill, and here you can see that we've had 3 attempts at getting through the 70 cents area. Hopefully it'll be third time lucky, so that we can head up to the top of that rising trend channel from November. That's around $1.08, and looking for that by the end of next month, hopefully while we remain above the floor of the rising trend channel here around the 53 cents mark. LTO is the next contender, another one that we have covered quite recently, LTO Network, and here you can see we've hit or broken the old target there around 19 cents, above 19 cents. We've got the upper parallel of that rising November trend channel. That should take us up to $30 by, hopefully by the end of this week, actually, I was going to say by the end of the next month, but to the way things are going, looking very strong indeed, and hopefully 30 cents on the way while we're above the 20 cents zone. Another market which has been covered here on quite a few occasions is coming up here, and it's MXC. The position here is that we've got this consolidation, W-shaped consolidation, looking for this market to head to the top of that rising trend channel there from back in March last year. The price channel top there as high as the 3 cents area, and we're looking at that by the end of next month while we remain above 2 cents, so relatively simple conditions there. Mantra is next, and here the position is one of a decent progression within a rising trend channel that we've had. That's been in place since November. Top of the channel there around 71 cents. If we can get an end of day close through that, then we're looking for fresh leg to the upside, and the upper parallel of that channel, that's currently pointing to as high as $1.20, and that could be on tap for the end of next month. On to the last three. Proton is next, according to my understanding, and here you can see that we've had this sharp rebound back up to the top of that rising trend channel, which is quite gratifying, around 2.4 cents, basically call it 2.5 cents. Above 2.5, looking for up to 4 cents as soon as the end of next month, which is the upper parallel of that rising early 2023 trend channel. Upside valid at the moment, while we remain on the right side of the 2 cents area. On to another situation which hopefully will have legs, and you'll see why, and it's Sidus. And the picture here, a massive breakout to the upside within a wide rising trend channel. Top of that channel heading for the 1.5 cent zone, maybe 1.6 cents. And we're looking for that by, well, basically over the next couple of weeks, especially the way things are going. It could be rather sooner than that. Upside value while we hold above 0.9 of a cent, which was the old November resistance. Finishing off with a situation which hopefully will join the greats in terms of the big rises. Wide rising trend channel here at YGG, and looking for $1.50 by the end of next month, hopefully sooner, especially when if we get a decent end of day close above $1.20, which is basically the recent resistance for this market. So hopefully there'll be a decent pop to the upside, and looking for this market to remain on the right side of $1 in the meantime. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.